The Joker and I broke up. I wanted a fresh start. But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
The kid just robbed him. You betrayed him. You killed his BFF. And you're dumb enough to be building a case against him. He's after all of us now. None of us are walking out of here.
Unless we work together.
With you.
Here's the deal, Quinn.
You need me. You're so cool.
Who's having a good time?
Are we ready